Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I want to give y'all a mini break from the Preludes and I want to show y'all another car in my collection. It is a 1991 Honda CRX Si with a B16 A swap. So I'm gonna let y'all check it out, show y'all around, tell y'all about it. We also have this hot mess in here, but we'll get to that one another day. Let's check out the CRX. I'm gonna give y'all a little walk around real quick and then I'll tell you about it. It's a pretty clean car overall. I'm impressed with it and I'm lucky that I got one this clean because I know they're getting hard to find. The paint isn't perfect, it is starting to fade, but that's typical with red, especially here in Texas. But I do try to keep it in the garage. So mostly I want to protect the interior, but I want to protect the outside as much as I can as well. Here is the B16. This motor is actually from HMO, but I didn't buy it from there. I got lucky. I found a wrecked Del Sol on the auction and it had the swap in it. I got this shell from a friend of mine. I traded him a white CRX that I had for the shell and then I put the swap in it. I got a couple goodies. Header, intake. It has great exhaust, skunk 2 coilovers, I think adjustable upper control arms. Got the yellow fog lights in the front lip. I do want to change out the turn signals, the amber, and the corner lights for clear. I'm really not a big fan of amber. The body's overall pretty straight, but I'm probably going to replace this fender. It's pretty messed up. And there is like a dent here. Quarter panels are pretty straight. Oh, there's a dent there. But it's really not bad. Like the taillights are clean. It's hard to even find a set of clean taillights. And here's the gritty exhaust. Oh my god, there's cobwebs. The car has been sitting a while. It's not running right currently. It bogs out when you try to drive it, and actually it stalled on me while it was just idling. I'm still trying to figure it out. It's the first time doing a V-swap in a car, so I'm learning. There's actually a few connectors that I'm confused about. I'm just making sure that I don't have them switched around the wrong way or something. The idle air control valve and the air intake temperature sensor and the NOx sensor all have like plugs that interchange. So I hope I got them in the right spot. I'm gonna just keep messing with it and trying to figure it out. I'm gonna try to start it for you guys, but like I said, it died on me earlier. Didn't really want to start easily, so I'm not exactly sure she's gonna cooperate. But let me show y'all the interior. I mean, the seats, they always rip, but really overall it's really nice in here. The headliner looks good. I have all the interior. It's not in the best shape, but at least it's all there. I am gonna put that intake manifold on it eventually. Just haven't got that far yet. I got the typical broken climate control. Y'all know the struggle. My little mini me CRX in there. These are just, I think, some eBay floor mats or something. I really just want to get this car running right because I really want to drive it and enjoy it. I would like to put a turbo on it in the future, but for now, I'm just gonna focus on getting it running right and we'll get there when we get there. Yeah, here she is, guys. I just wanted to show y'all, see what y'all think about it. Oh, actually, by the way, whoa, what was that? Okay. That was really creepy. It sounded like somebody just like ran across the roof. Anyways, guys, sorry. So the SI wheels, they're cool wheels and all. They're off the EM1, but I don't plan on keeping these wheels actually. I have a set of Sprint Heart wheels and I want to get them redone and put them on here. So those SI wheels, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with them yet. I got a Del Sol out here. It's kind of a piece of crap, like the front end doesn't line up. It's been wrecked before. It has a V20 with the GSR head on it, and it runs and drives. It actually runs better than the CRX. Maybe I'll put the wheels on it. I'm not really sure. I might sell them. If y'all have any tips on why it could be bogging, it does have a check engine light for idle air control valve. I'm not sure if it would cause it to bog that much. I have one of those two sensors plugged in, but the other one, I can't find the plug that goes to it. Also, guys, has anybody else had this problem with this radiator? The hood won't latch because the top is too tall and it hits the hood. I was wondering if anybody else had that problem. I have to figure out something with that. I want to try to start it up for you guys. I just don't know if she'll start or not, but we can try. Let's see. Real quick, I just wanted to give a shout out to Randy because he did hook me up with a lot of parts for this car to make this even possible. So I just want to say thank you. I do appreciate all the parts. I probably couldn't have done this swap without them. Alright, let's see what she'll do. Cross your fingers, guys. Happen, unfortunately. Well, I guess she wants to be stubborn and not start for y'all, so I'm sorry. I wanted y'all to hear her running, but sometimes she runs, sometimes she don't. You just never know what you're gonna get. So I'm gonna try to get her fixed soon so she will be running and I can show y'all more with this car. But right now I'm just trying to sort through the issues. I still thought it'd be cool to show y'all something other than the ludes for a minute. I'm sure y'all needed a little break, but don't get too excited because I got some goodies for the front of the Lude that came in the mail that I want to show y'all and put on real quick. So let's go check it out. Alright, it's nighttime now and we got the whole crew in here. We're about to see what goodies we got for the Lude. Let's find out. How do you even open this thing? How the heck am I supposed to do this one-handed? Okay, one second. Ooh. Got a harness. Boom. Got the clear fog lights for the Lude. And there's the other one. Alright. Clear fog light gang. Alright, let's get that out of the way. Let's open up this box. What do we have here? Ooh, got them clear turn signals. I actually had these on my car at some point. And basically I sold them with the Lude I was selling. So I needed a set again for my car. So I'm happy I got these. Let's go install these bad boys. I'm ready to see how it's gonna look. Installing these is a lot harder than you would think. It's really being stubborn, but I just wanted to give you all a little before and after so y'all can see the difference so far. That fog light still has the film on it, so that's why it might look a little funny. Hopefully the left side goes a little smoother. Wow, that looks so much better. I love it. I have one more surprise that I want to show y'all. I'm not actually going to install it because I do want to paint it first, but I will show y'all how it looks. So let's check it out. I got this OEM optional front lip. Right now it's green. I'm going to paint it blue with that perfect match paint. But I'm just going to put it on the front of the car so y'all can get an idea of how it's supposed to look. Alright, there's the front lip. It'll look a lot better when it's blue. The Lude is really getting some attention lately. She's looking a lot better. So I didn't actually wire up the fog lights because I'm not trying to get into that tonight. I really just kind of wanted to see how they were going to look and how they were going to fit. And honestly, they didn't fit great. But I mean, I can't complain because they're only like $30-something, but nothing really lined up. I think one of the mounting holes lined up, kinda. I basically just zip tied them on for now. I do want to eventually wire them up. It's been 7 years since I've done that, and I'm just not really in the mood to try to figure that out right now, especially since it's 11:40, almost midnight. That's all for today. I did fix this bumper sag a little better because it was really bothering me. And I just want to make sure that all the lights still work. I don't have any amber bulbs right now, so we're just gonna stick with the clear turn signal bulbs. Everything still works and looks good. But overall, I'm really happy with how she looks now. I do have some used coilovers that I want to install soon. I bought them used and I didn't realize at the time that one of them's leaking. So I'm gonna have to like replace that one or something. So that's why I haven't installed them yet. But I only paid $200 for them. They're Case Sport. Not a bad deal. Just need to get rid of some of this wheel gap. I'm afraid that if I lower it, I'm gonna destroy this OEM front lip, but we'll see how that goes. But that's about it for today, guys. I got to show y'all the CRX. Got to give the Prelude another facelift, so I'm pretty happy with that. Next on the list, I guess we got to get back to the parts Prelude and start taking it apart, because I still haven't done that yet. It sucks because this whole week is going to be nothing but rain starting tonight. I really don't like cold and rain and all that. We'll see what I get done, but stay tuned. I promise there's more to come. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.